Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about something that might sound a bit daunting, but is incredibly important. Surviving a week without electricity? Yep, you heard me right. No lights, no fridge, no charging your phone. But don't worry, I've got you covered on how to prepare for a grid-down scenario. First off, let's tackle the most crucial element, water. Without power, your regular sources might not be reliable. So, how do you ensure you have enough water for a week? Start by storing at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. This covers drinking and sanitation. Use clean containers and, if you can, store them in a cool, dark place. Remember, safety first, so don't forget to rotate your water supply every 6 months to keep it fresh. Now let's talk food. Without a fridge, perishables won't last long. Stock up on non-perishable food items like canned goods, dried fruits, nuts and grains. Think about meals that require minimal preparation or none at all. And here's a tip: invest in a manual can opener because, trust me, you don't want to be stuck with a can you can't open when you're hungry. Next up, lighting. The sun sets, but life doesn't stop. Candles are an option, but they can be a fire hazard, especially around kids and pets. A safer bet is solar-powered or hand-crank flashlights. Not only are they reusable, but they also reduce the risk of fire. Now, keeping warm or cool, depending on the season, can be a challenge without HVAC systems. Dress in layers if it's cold, and if it's hot, stay in the coolest part of your home. And consider battery-operated fans. These small devices can be lifesavers. And finally, communication. Keeping in touch with the world and getting updates is necessary. A solar-powered or hand-crank radio is your best friend here. It keeps you connected without needing conventional power sources. In closing, while a week without electricity might seem like a nightmare, with a bit of preparation, it's absolutely manageable. Stock up, plan ahead, and you'll not only survive, but thrive. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, we're here to help you through every step. Go to preparemagazine.com and join the community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more survival tips and tricks.